Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you step-by-step process how you can easily change the time zone on your Windows 11. So what you want to do is just be in Windows 11, and if this video will be helpful, just write down below in the comments for other people. So what you can do is go to bottom right click on it, and then click adjust date and time. When you're gonna be here, you're gonna have the time zone right here. And then you just like change it to whatever time zone you want. That's pretty much it, and this is how we do it. So again, this is how you can change time zone on Windows 11. If you can have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. And yep. Have a great day and goodbye. See ya.